last October, I started this channel with the simple plan to just, help people on their journey. Kind of pay it forward type thing. And now we've reached 900 subscribers. So let's give something away.
Never took a left. Oh, that cart with a jack wheel.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
So 900. Wow. It's incredible. I can't believe it. When we started this channel, I didn't know if anybody would watch, but you guys are, and apparently you like me. You really like me. A couple things to get out of the way first. First of all, as you know, I have said in the What Sold video, but I'm going to just say it again. This is, we are taking a little bit of a break from sourcing this weekend. Just kind of rest and relax over the July 4th holiday. So if you're wondering where our usual thrifting videos are, we're taking a little breather. So probably have a video out Monday or Tuesday of this week. Not sure yet what our plans are, but it's looking like Monday. We'll probably have a video out just because we're probably going to go do a few things tomorrow. So, having said that, we have reached this milestone, and we are going to do a giveaway. In honor of July 4th, I thought we should probably, keep it themed. But what are you going to get? Well, first of all, what are you going to get? Well, we're going to give you a few mystery items. So it's not going to be a total mystery box. We're just going to include a few items for you to sell in your eBay business, along with some Pittsburgh Picker swag. So we're going to give you a couple Pittsburgh Picker stickers. You also get to pick what of the 2 remaining Pittsburgh Picker shirts we have. They are still kind of an experimental thing. So there's only 2 sizes here. There's a 3X. And there's an extra large. So you can pick either one of those along with some stickers, and we're going to throw in a few things for you to sell and make some money off of. So that's what you're getting. So you're getting kind of a combination of everything we've given away in the past. Mystery box-ish, and some Pittsburgh Picker memorabilia. You are more than welcome to put this wherever you'd like, well, as long as it's legal, or you can keep it for yourself, whatever you'd like to do with it. And that's about it. So what do you have to do? Well, first thing you have to do is like the video. So click that thumbs up button for me. Do it right now. Just click it. Second thing you have to do is subscribe to the channel. So if you haven't, click the subscribe button. And the third thing you have to do is comment. And since today is July 4th, we're celebrating the birth of our nation. It's real simple. Just 4 numbers. 1776. 1776, the birth year of our nation. And that's about it. I truly can't believe we're here. We're facing 1,000, and 1,000 is going to be a pretty big giveaway. So keep an eye out for that in the future. But yeah, unbelievable. When I started this channel, I thought, no one's going to want to watch me. I'm not that entertaining, but apparently I am. Thank you to each and every one of you for subscribing to the channel, commenting, interacting with us. It's truly one of my favorite things to do. So thank you so much, and good luck on the giveaway. We will draw for the giveaway probably not next Saturday, probably maybe next Thursday or Friday. So keep an eye out for the drawing, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Good day, sir!